In this video, I will show you how to connect apps, create automations, and use some of the main features inside Runable AI. First, open Runable AI and head to the Connect Your Apps section. One of the best features of Runable is that it lets you connect hundreds of different apps and services so you can use your own data inside your workflows. If you don't see the app you want right away, use the search bar at the top. For example, you can search for apps like Notion or Trello. Once you find the app you want, click Connect. Runable will now ask for permission to connect your account. Just click Continue, and a pop-up window will appear where you can sign into your account if needed. After logging in and approving the permissions, your app will be connected successfully. Once the connection is complete, you can start creating automations. For example, you can create a workflow where every new card added to a Trello list is automatically duplicated and moved to another list. After entering your workflow instructions, click Send, and Runable AI will guide you through the setup process. Back on the homepage, you'll also find additional AI tools. You can create slides, websites, reports, podcasts, images, documents, and even videos. There are also built-in templates available, so if you find a design or workflow you like, you can click Use this inspiration and customize it for your own project. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.